Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DRYS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past several days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis on a very routine basis, including yesterday, and not a lot to report from the big picture of things. The big picture I'm defining as this overall channel pattern that's taking place within these red and green line. Top of the overall channel, $3.80. Bottom of the channel, this green line right there at $2.85. But within the channel, there was a bit of bearishness today. And, as far as the overall channel is concerned, starting to show some signs of weakness. How is this showing some signs of weakness? Well, it all revolves around this level of support that we've been tracking. And I realize this means a little bit more to those of you that have watched the past videos. But if you have, or if you haven't, just understand that $3.20 had been a level of support that, we had been watching for quite a while. And you can see that today the bears were able to not only press the price down below there, but even after the price got below it, it continued to separate to the downside. Now, it's not like it totally crashed below there. And remember, big picture context, the price is still within the overall channel. It is still up above $2.85. So while I'm not saying, that this price action, that happened right here today is the end of the world, it is a sign of weakness on the bull's part, or a sign of strength on the bear's part, however you want to look at that. So, with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and just get rid of this green line right here, because there's another more simpler way we can use to measure all that, and that is via the purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. And this is just based on a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So any sort of bounce to the upside, that first key level of resistance is right there, that purple line. Yeah, $3.80 way up there is the top of the channel, but no point in talking about for the time being until the price can first show that it can break up through that shorter term level right there. So bears are definitely starting to gain some momentum here, but the bulls do still have a chance, because again, that overall channel pattern is still in play, but the price continues to drift lower within the channel. So we'll see if the bulls can start to level things out relatively soon or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.